Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the BSS error code 0x80042231F that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer with the error message BSS snapshot error failed to create. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on search menu. So dito lang sa taskbar makikita mo dito yung search button. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung volume shadow copy. So scroll down lang tayo. And then hanapin natin yung volume shadow copy. And then ito na siya. Okay? So makikita mo dito yung volume shadow copy. So ang gagawin mo lang, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang next na ating gagawin dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup types. So either manual or automatic yan mga kaibigan. It doesn't matter. So kapag automatic yung sinilike mo, or manual ay okay lang yung dito mga kaibigan. So wala pong problema yan. And then next step, once nakapag-select ka na dito sa startup type, so dito lang sa kanyang service status, so click mo lang itong start and then wait natin. And then next step dito lang sa running, i-click mo lang dito yung stop. Okay, so click mo lang yan and then wait natin. And then pagkatapos mga kaibigan, balik ulit tayo dito sa service status, so i-click mo lang itong start and then wait natin. And then next step, dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo na click ng apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay, right? So ang next step dito, so close lang natin tong services and then dito lang sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix BSS error code 0x80042331F in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.